it's your girl Miss Destiny, and I'm here with a vlog. I just got out of work. Shout out to God and shout out to my supervisor because even though me and my supervisor we don't rock at all, she just asked me if I wanted to go home early. God bless her. Yes. So while I was at work, I was like, yo, I want some chocolate chip cookies. But since I've transitioned to vegan, I'm like, let's make some vegan chocolate chip cookies. So I'm kind of glad that my supervisor said I can leave early because now I'm about to go to Target before they close. Girl, I thought that was a spider. And get some vegan chocolate chip cookies and anything else I need to make. I mean, not chocolate chip cookies, but vegan chocolate chips. And anything else I need to make these cookies. And girl, let go. So I've been home for a little minute, so we about to make these cookies right now. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's do a little haul of what I got from Target. So we got the brown sugar. This is the Good and Gather organic light brown sugar. We got our vegan dark chocolate chips things, and we got more vanilla. I meant to get white sugar, but I forgot. But let's get into the video. Okay, so also for the recipe, you're gonna need some white granulated sugar, non-dairy milk, so oat milk. You're gonna need some salt. You're gonna need some vegan butter. This is the Country Crock plant butter with olive oil. You're gonna need some flour. This junk is heavy, but let's get started. Baker, and yeah, cookies came out flat as a flatter. Simply put a move. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna try this again, so look out for more, but we're gonna give this a taste test. All right, y'all, so I'm back in my room and I'm back in my room and I'm about to try a piece of the cookie. I'm gonna fold it because it just, oh wait, Lord, thank you for this cookie, Lord, let it be nourished in my body. These are my prayer, amen. Oh, child, drop piece. Listen. The flavor is there, but how it looks is not. So we're gonna try again and actually follow measurements, not do what black people do and just eyeball it. You know, we're actually gonna pay attention. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you waiting for? Hello. Make sure you hit that bell for the post notifications so you know I'll post. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.